Hello, I'm going to show you how to swap USDT to Solana on Phantom Wallet. So first of all, open your Phantom Wallet and click on the search icon at the bottom right side of the wallet. Search for Portal, select Portal Bridge from the search results. For select from chain, choose Solana. For tokens, select Sol. For the destination chain, select USDT. For the destination token, select WSOL. Also, you can do that in the other order. Then connect your Phantom Wallet and set amount. Click Connect Source Wallet and select Phantom Wallet. Enter the amount of SOL you want to bridge to WSOL on USDT. Select Phantom as your destination wallet. Then review the transaction details and click Confirm Transaction. Approve the transaction in your Phantom Wallet. Wait for the transaction to complete. In your Phantom Wallet, click on Swap, select WSOL you just bridged as the UPay token, select USDT as the UReceive token, enter the amount or click Max, click Swap Now, confirm the transaction and WSOL will turn into USDT in your Phantom Wallet. To verify transaction, go to home screen of your Phantom Wallet. You should now see your USDT tokens.